Hello everybody, this is Ryan and lesson 28 of learning JavaScript. In this lesson we'll be learning all about the location object, which is an object built into the browser, and it tells us information about the URL or the website address. So if you look at a website address, a typical website address, it's built up using various different components, various different parts. The first part of the web address is normally your protocol, which is HTTP or HTTPS. After that you have your domain name, then you have your path name, which is the file that you're displaying, and then you could have an optional query string. A query string is used to pass variables to server-side programs. And then a hash is optional as well, that allows you to jump to a specific point within a web page. It's an anchor basically. So now let's see how we can output these various components using JavaScript. So in our script file we're going to say block.innerHTML, and if we output the location object directly, we should get the full web address coming up into our div. Then we could also output individual components or properties of this object. For example, there's a protocol, which is just the HTTP or HTTPS. Then there's the host name, which is your domain name portion of the URL. And then there's the path name, and then we also have the search. Search is for your query string. It's the question mark with all its variables and values. And then you can also have a hash, which is the part after the hash. So that's outputting various components or properties of the location object. You can also set these properties. So instead of displaying them, you could say location.hash is equal to helicopter. Guess we'd have to put a hash in front of it. So there you can see that it's now set that hash to helicopter. Or we could set the search, for example, to question mark hobbies equals ice skating. Let's see if that works. There you can see just that portion of the URL has changed. So any of the parts of the URL can be changed by just setting the individual components. If you want to set the entire URL to go to another file, you could just say location equals and the name of the file that you wish to redirect to. Or you could even redirect to an external website like google.com. There we have it. So this ends our lesson in working with the location object.